Clean water, better taste, and way more convenient than those gravity filters. Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this Frizzlife automatic water dispenser. So this is going to be a product overview video, so let's get into it. Let me show you how the product looks, all the features it has, and then I'll give my overall feedback at the end. This is your portable automatic water dispenser. It has this handle right here that you could carry this with you anywhere that you need to carry it. This is how the front looks, the side, and the back. So this water tank holds up to 18 cups of water, which equals to 1.1 gallons of water here. So depending on the size of the cup that you use, you can get up to like 30 cups of water in here. And yes, it even fits in the fridge if you like cold water. Here's your button to dispense the water. You press it one time to turn it on, and then once you touch it again, then it's going to start to dispense the water. And you touch it a third time just to turn off the water. When you lift up this area here, a great feature about this dispenser, it has 2 filters. Most of these portable dispensers, they only have 1 filter, but this one uses 2 filters. This gets rid of 99.9% of the microbes from your tap water. If you want to take out the filter and change it, you're gonna turn this to your left, which is like this, up, and it takes out. See, so it's a small filter. To reinsert it, you're gonna push it down and turn it down to your right. Right here is where you charge it with the USB-C charging cable. So the battery life on this lasts a very long time, and you don't have to charge it for a while. I'll say about 30 days worth of charge, depending on your use. It is recommended the first time using this that you flush out the filters. So all you have to do is that you're gonna long press this power button for 4 seconds. And once you do that, it's gonna double beep, and then the water is going to keep on flowing, and then it's good to run it maybe for about 5 to 10 minutes just to flush out the filter, and then that way that you make sure that everything is nice and clean once you're ready to use it. The filters last about 6 months each, so you don't have to worry about this once you put a new filter for about 6 months. And this is where you fill your water. So once you're ready to use it, like I said, you're going to touch it one time, and that's going to activate it, and then you're going to touch it once more. The water is going to come out. So depending on your cup size, if you want it all the way to the top, or if you have a smaller cup, you're going to wait until how much water that you want. Okay, so I'm going to fill it up to the top, and then I'm going to touch it one more time to stop it. Okay, so it stops, and a great feature that there's no dripping, so you don't have to worry about any mess that's being left here after you fill up your cup. And there's no waiting. Once you press the button, the water is going to come out automatically. So this portable water dispenser is great for outdoors, indoors, if you're having parties, if you want to bring this with you anywhere. It's very portable. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great automatic water dispenser. I like how easy it is to use. I like how portable it is, that you could bring this with you anywhere. I like how the battery life lasts around 30 days on a full charge. I also like how this holds up to 1.1 gallons of water in it on a single fill. So that equals to about 18 to about 30 cups. No cords, no waiting. I can use this anywhere in the house. It holds up to 18 cups, so I'm not refilling it all the time. Dual filters, long filter life, and it even reminds you when it's time to replace them. And I like how the controls are very easy to use, and I like that the filters last about 6 months. So this is a great product to have. Thanks for watching.